Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also found Muslim society stagnant. He very fairly observed that there were social evils prevalent in both Hindu and Muslim society. However, he wrote that Hindus are different from Muslims because at least some Hindus were working to eradicate, to abolish those evils, but no Muslims were trying to eradicate, abolish the evils which prevailed in their own society. This was because Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wrote, Muslim politicians did not recognize the secular categories of life. They also prioritized the unity, communal unity of their own society against Hindus. They did not want to rupture the unity of the society by triggering debates and promoting social reform, because then they believed that it will weaken them against Hindus. Finally, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar noticed the Muslim tendency of committing political aggression upon the Hindus. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wrote that Muslims insisted on a practice just to annoy Hindus, just to needle Hindus. And they did not give up this practice unless Hindus made some major political concessions to them. The example that he cited was the Muslim insistence on cow slaughter, though cow slaughter was not required or is not required in the Muslim religion. But Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wrote that Muslims insisted on cow slaughter only to get political concessions out of Hindus.